Alright guys, now we have less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. That means menos que o igual a. And I have an example. X is less than or equal to 5. X es menor o igual a 5. So x is smaller than or equal to 5. My x's can be, mis x's pueden ser 5 because it's equal, es igual a 5. It could be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -1000. It is anything that is smaller than 5. Es todo lo que sea más pequeño que 5, pero también puede ser 5. I have greater than or equal to. X is greater than or equal to 10. X es mayor o igual a 10. So it could be anything more than 10. Puede ser todo lo que es más grande que 10. 11, 15, 20, 25, 100, 1000. Or it could also be 10 y también puede ser 10 porque aquí tengo este símbolo que significa igual. Puede ser igual. Here are some examples. I have x is greater than or equal to -5. That means that everything that is greater, todo lo que está más grande que negativo 5 is my answer. I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can have -5, -4, -3, 0. And that's the same for number 2. X is less than or equal to -10. Todo lo que es más pequeño to the left. I have -10, -20, -11, -40. Lo que sea más chiquito que un -10. Number 3 says 9 is less than or equal to x. 9 es menor o igual a x. So that means x has to be bigger than 9. Eso significa que x tiene que ser más grande que 9. So I have 10, 12, 15, 35, 100. But my answer can also be 9. También puede ser 9. Porque es igual a 9. Now, number lines with inequalities. Number lines with inequalities. I have an example. X is greater than 5. Number line, una línea numérica. I have 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3. Well, let me do it like this. Alright, so I have x is greater than 5. X es mayor que 5. So I start at number 5. And then x is greater than. Es mayor. So am I going to go to the right? Or am I going to go to the left? Because ¿cuál es bigger? Which one is bigger? To the right or to the left? I'm going to go to the right. So that means that this is my answer. I have an open circle. This means open circle. for less than and greater than. What that means is that I am not including 5. Lo que significa ese círculo que no está colorado significa que no estoy incluyendo ese 5. That means that I start at 6. I start at 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. That is what the open circle means. Here's another example. I have x is less than 1. Do a number line, hagan una línea numérica. Where do I start? ¿A dónde comienzo? I start at 0. And since this is just less than, it is a open circle. Es un círculo abierto. No está colorado. Less than is to the left. Less than means small. I'm getting smaller. Voy a la izquierda porque significa que me estoy haciendo más pequeño. So then this is my answer. The arrow means that is going forever. La flecha significa que voy para siempre. Que sigue, no va a parar. So this is my number line for this one. This is mi línea numérica. Now, I have this example. X is greater than or equal to 2. I do a number line. Where do I start? ¿A dónde comienzo? What is my number? 2. But now I have less than or equal to, and then greater than or equal to. And for this, my circle is shaded. It is closed. Se dice closed. Para este, mi círculo está colorado, está cerrado. So now my circle is like this. You're going to see this a lot on your test. Van a ver esto mucho en sus exámenes. This is for equal to. Si ven esta línea, if you see this line, you have a shaded circle. Tiene un círculo colorado. So greater than is bigger. I'm getting bigger to the right. So my arrow is to the right. Me estoy haciendo grande. So mi flecha es a la derecha. Let's do another example. X is less than or equal to -6. I do my number line. Hago mi línea numérica. And where do I start? ¿A dónde empiezo? My number is -6. So I start at -6. And now, is it going to be open or closed? Va a ser abierta o cerrada? This is going to be closed. Va a ser cerrado. So I'm going to shade. Voy a colorear. And now less than means small. Eso significa que pequeño, so I'm going to go to the left, a la izquierda. And that is my answer. That means that -7 is smaller, -8 is smaller, -9. -7, -8, -9, -10, and I keep going, así se sigue. Eso significa que -7, -8, -9, -10 son más pequeños que -6. The close part, lo que significa, porque está coloreado, significa que vamos a incluir -6. If it is shaded, we are including -6. Estamos incluyendo a -6. So let me write this on the notes. This means it includes the starting number. Eso significa que vamos a incluir el número con cual comenzamos. The open circle means do not include the starting number. El círculo abierto significa que no vamos a incluir el número con cual comenzamos. Very, very easy. So this one is closed, so -6, -7, -8, -9, and I keep going.